guys, okay, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode, okay, will be something very easy. Alright, so that is to add on a sun tinting strip, okay, on your windscreen. So guys, this mod is applicable to every car out there. Alright, so for my local viewers, okay, all of you from Singapore, okay, as you know, Singapore is consistent 35 degrees like every day. I mean, on a good day, it's like 30. Alright, and adding a sun tinting strip, right, actually blocks out some of the sun, okay, and it's not so glaring also sometimes when you're driving. Alright, so for those of you who are first time here, please remember to smash the like button, remember to subscribe. Okay, links to the item will be in the description down below. So without further ado, we're going to start this episode. Okay, so enjoy guys. Okay, so guys, okay, that's the end of the DIY. Okay, it's actually a very easy DIY. Okay, I actually get it done within like 45 minutes, and it's my first time doing. So don't be afraid if it's your first time. Okay, and as you can see over here, it is so professionally done. Okay, trust me, you won't be able to see any mistakes. Okay, unless you're super close. Okay, I mean the penknife cuts and all this. Yeah, I mean you guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys like this episode. So remember to smash the like button. Okay, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.